Good day, guys. I hope everyone is having a lovely Monday. Hope your weekend be right. Enjoy kumnandi. Manje isikhathi sokufocus futhi, right? So today we'll be continuing a paper letter grade 12, Maths Lit. Please, before we begin, subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notification button. Uthi mama video mawaload at the same time, tell notification. And please share to as many people as possible. Remember, if you are a Sankofian, you must make sure you read the rules, the instructions, and number 2, you must number correctly. Reading the instructions is very important. So today, there's an announcement at the end of this lesson. So please watch until the end, and then at the end there will be an announcement. Today we are focusing on question 2. We'll do question 2.1 only. The reason why you will see Marcia, it's going to be a bit more complicated. You're going to use more than one document. Now, I told you, if you're a Sankofian, you know what you must do. The first thing you must do is study whatever information you are given first. You study first what you are given, then you go to the answers, right? So let's do a quick study of question 2.1. It says, David is a 68-year-old man who works at a grocery store in Swellendam. So David umkhulu, right, now usasebenza, right, at the age of 68 usasebenza store in kule ndawo le ebizwa Swellendam, right? Bese bathi annexure A shows an extract of David's bank statement for the period 1 November 2022 to 1 December 2022. So there's an annexure instruction if you are that we must use to solve this question specifically, right? Annexure A. And then annexure A, you should find there a bank statement, David. And then we'll be able to answer the questions. There's about it from 1 November 2022 to 1 December 2022, meaning 30 days, right? You must be careful on days. Sometimes 1 November 2022 to 1 January 2023, go by 2 months you notice, or by card half a month. So you must be very careful when you are reading the dates. Some amounts have been omitted. So the word omitted means it's not explicit about showing about balanga pants, amounts, but about balanga pants, right? Meaning maybe when you have to figure them out. Are we good? Okay. Now let's go to this extract and study this extract, right? This annexure, sorry. Okay. This is the annexure. Now bank statement I got David. Masifun then phezulu. Extract of David's bank statement for the period 1 November 2022 to 1 December 2022. So I repeat the local bakshilo. And then there show you a bank statement / tax invoice, elite check account. So says David to have a check account, elite check account, right? Account number by Lapaya 110876222502. I hope we are one. Account number, right? And then pounds is about divide about details, debit, credit, date, and balance, right? So kuna makoloma 5. One zokutshela ama details wale bank statement, one zokutshela ama debits ale debit kusho ukuthi imali ephumayo, so then credit imali engenayo, right? And uyabona next to debits ne credit babhale ISI unit urand, meaning ukuthi mawubhala imali you must make sure that you note irand because asazi ukuthi dollar, euro, you must specify, right? Remember nje i-maths lit inesibongo, mathematics literacy i-subject enegama nesibongo, so nama answer kumele abe nesibongo. And then bakupha ama date next to ama credits bese ibalance imali esele, right? Okay, now let's start ngale gama balance brought forward. So balance brought forward isho ukuthi imali eqhubeka nale month entsha, meaning ukuthi uDavid inyanga mayiphela bekanemali accountini yakhe bekasane 2,169.55 cents. So David akusilo umuntu lo othatha imali yakhe ayidle yonke ayiqede, right? Isalary ingena phezulu kwenye imali. And then service fee, notice nama hashtag ayithu, I'm sure azoba important, bayabhala service fee ukuthi imalini nokuthi bayidonse ngeyiphi date. Niyabona ukuthi i-service fee bayidonse nge-22, right? Bayidonse nge-22, and then overdraft fees bayasho nokuthi sidonswe nini nge-25. I hope niyayifollow, right? Overdraft nayo fees nayo imali edonsiwe nayo i-date i-25 zakaNovember ngoba lo 11 akashintsha until phansi, so usho ukuthi month, right? So 11 imonth uNovember, and then u12 uDecember bese ngapha amalanga. Okay, so siyabona ukuthi mababhizi badonsa lama overdraft, badonsa lama service fee, le mali yakhe le balance yakhe iyayehla, angithi. So kule mali ekhona iyayehla kancane kancane. So basibonisa yona from i-22 zakaNovember. I-activity iqala from i-22 zakaNovember bese iyayehla. Mawunganotice ku-salary wasipanga lutho bamane babeka u-A, so usho ukuthi bafuna thina sifigure out ukuthi uhola malini, right? Which shouldn't be too difficult to figure out. And then babhala, they list everything. Debit check, debit order, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM cash withdrawal futhi, withdrawal service fees, so ilama fees achajwa ibank, fixed monthly service fee nayo fee yaku bank, debit check, debit order, the insurance premium PLA iyadonsa nayo, Santam insurance nayo iyadonsa, membership fee rewards nayo iyadonsa, electronic transfer credit card nayo iyadonsa. So uyabona kunezinto ziyadonsa zikuma debit, right? Mayibhale negative, niyabona ekugcineni ibhale negative, mayibhale negative kusho ukuthi imali ephumayo. So mayingabhalwanga negative hlalwazi ukuthi imali engenayo, right? So kuma debits uzothola ama negative because imali ephumayo. Bese la ekugcineni bayakutshela ukuthi these fees include VAT at 14% until 31 March 2018 and at 15% from 1 April 2018. So the percentage is important la. Until March 31% VAT be with 14%. But from me once April 2015 VAT be with 15%, meaning for 2022 VAT is 15%. Bese bayasho ukuthi adopted from the original bank statement. So still in the bank statement ngempela again. Okay? Now that we have the addenda, we can go to the question. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi 2.1.1. Ngizoyibhala la ngoba kunespace and calculate. 2.1.1. It write down the type of account David has. So bafuna ukwazi usebenzisa i-debit account, usebenzisa i-current account. Ubuyela futhi ku-addendum yakho bese bakutshelile la ukuthi i-check account. Not only check account, bakutshelile nokuthi it's an elite check account. Meaning your first answer will be elite check account. Right? So that's your first answer. Number 2.1.1. And then the second question says, determine the total amount paid for service fees. Bese bakubonisa ngama-hash, uyabona ukuthi i-service fee uyibona kanjani, right? Ilezi ezinama-hash ekugcineni. Uyabona le phepha liyakunceda nokunceda. So manje uzoya la is 2.1.2 and then manje ufuna zonke lezi ezinama-hash ekugcineni, right? Then those will be your service fee. So nice service fee. Now amanye service fee I2 aphelele. So we have 3 service fees, right? So we add these service fees ukuthi sibone ukuthi kahle kahle ukhiphe malini ukhokhe malini for ama service fee. So the service fee SF is equals to R1.60 eyokuqala service fee plus enye service fee ayikhiphile imalini R69 yes2 ayikhiphile plus enye service fee ayikhiphile R110. So all in all imali ibank emcharge yona just ukuthi khona gadela le mali yakhe R180.60. Now it get us over. So we figured out the service fee 3 marks kanjalo. So ne 2 marks yokuthi check account, so ne 3 marks yokuthi add la service fee ay3. And I remember my instruction they said show all calculations. Mistake abantu abayenza because bazomaka lapha amagena la. So kumele make sure ukuthi lo R160 awumane umshaye ku calculator to R160 plus 69 plus 110 bese ubhale answer. Kumele ubhale phansi R160 plus 69 plus 110. Those are the calculations. Lezi bathe ekuqaleni you must show, right? So you must show the calculations. Okay? And then 2.1.3 it is David's net salary paid into his account is labeled A. Yes. He has 2 insurance policies. David stated that his total monthly payment for insurance is more than a quarter of his net salary. So David uyasho ukuthi mina ngibhadala more than 25% yes salary yami kuma insurance, which is crazy, right? Verify showing all calculations if his statement is true. So ustate kuphi kule slip sakhe lesi ukuthi ama insurance they take more than 25%. Na insurance yokuqala masiye ku insurance yokuqala sibonayo, let me use a different colored pen. The PLA insurances 2 Santam insurance and eyokuqala ithatha 940, AS2 nayo ithatha 940. David ubhadala imali eningi kulama insurance. Mina bengeke by the way. Okay? And then manje we have to show ukuthi ngempela i25% salary yakhe. Is it more than 25? So we're trying to find out what is it really more than 25% la ibhadalayo ku salary yakhe. I mean kuma insurance, right? So first kumele sithole i-net salary yakhe, right? Maqeda ukuthola i-net salary yakhe we must determine the percentage yama insurance from i-net salary yakhe. So sizoba ne-calculation yokuqala yokuthola i-salary because ungakhohlwa kule nto abasiphangi salary. So kumele sizithole leyo, right? So masifuna i-salary sizothini? Into esiyaziyo ukuthi imali before ahola bekanale mali ebank, right? That's the money he had before ahola. This is the money he had ngalelanga aqeda ukuhola. So manje we have to minus le mali ekhona makase aqeda ukuhola kule ya before, so ukuthi uhola malini kahle kahle imalini engena kule account elomjito, right? Okay, so masiyenze here. We are trying to find A, which is the salary of David. So David maqeda ukuhola i-account yakhe beyine 10,078 rand and 41. Maqeda ukuhola David. Before ahola, the day before ahola bekane siya minus le bekana 2,135 cents. So when we minus this from this, the answer yethu kuba yi 7,978 rand and 6 cents. So it means David to hola 7,978 rand and 6 cents, right? Okay, the net salary yaka David. Manje sifuna ukubona ukuthi ngempela more than umkholo wakhe is more than 25%. I mean, insurance they charge him more than 25%. So masibuyela la sibheke amount insurance is 940 rand and 39 cents, 940 rand and 39 cents. Okay, the two are 940 rand and 35 cents. So masihlanganise lama insurance siwayenze amount eyi-1 bese calculate, right? 940,39. Okay. So masiyenze is 940 insurance yakhe mayiphelele is equals to 940,63 plus 940,63 or ngathi 940,63 times 2 because the same amount. Bese our 639, not 63, sorry, 39,39. Okay, and then imali ayikhiphayo for insurance is 1,000 mayiphelele 880,78. That's the money I spend kwi-insurance yakhe, right? So manje we're trying to find out if le mali le is more than 25% yomkholo wakhe, right? So kumele sithole ukuthi 25% yomkholo wakhe imalini. We need to find out 25% yomkholo omjida imalini. So sizothi umkholo omjida la besifuna umkholo suqedile, lana besifuna insurance mayiphelele, manje sifuna 25%. So zothi umkholo omjida is 7,978 multiplied by 25%, right? So 7,978 multiplied by 25% is per malini, is per 1,994 rand and 52 cents. So 25% yomkholo omjida is 1,994 rand and 32 cents. Imali ayikhiphayo for insurance is 1,880 rand and 78 cents. So uyabona ukuthi imali ayibhadala for insurance ayikho ningi ukudlula le mali le 25%. So usho ukuthi umjida ucamba amanga makathi ukhipha more than 25% yomkholo kuma insurance. So siyogcina ukuthi therefore David is incorrect. David is incorrect. Akekho right. Akukhuluma iqiniso. Right? Because the question here to David, uthi ukhipha 25% yomkholo. Uthi 25% yomkholo. Also ukhipha ubhadala insurance that's more than 25% yomkholo. And then but awuprove wena lokho. So sithathe umkholo ka David isawuthola qala bekumele siqale ngokuthola umkholo wakhe, sathola ukuthi uhola malini umjida. Masiceda sahlanganisa ama insurance wakhe sabona ukuthi ayenza malini. Sathatha umkholo wakhe sathi masibheke 25% yomkholo wakhe. Sabona ukuthi i-25% yomkholo wakhe iphezulu kwale mali ayikhiphayo yona insurance. Onamanga makathi ukhipha imali endlule 25%. Ngazo David azosicambela amanga ngento useless hayi. Okay. So sesicedile. Bazalwane 7 marks the question. Right? So ne 7 marks. Kahle question 2 alone so right. So hamba kuma close to 10 marks. Right, dang it. Okay. Basically, we go to the last question, 2.1.4. It is a fixed monthly service fee of 110 rand on 30th of November 2022. Includes VAT of 15%. So fixed means I change amount one but VAT on every month, which is 110 rand. But in ngaphakathi it includes 15% VAT. The same service fee, 110 rand, excluding VAT, was charged on 30 November 2017. So my 110 it includes VAT. Now they charge the same service fee without VAT, right? Determine the service fee amount including VAT that would have been paid on 30/11 ngalo yanyaka 30 November. Okay, masiya kule service fee. Ewephi. Le 110 rand. A fixed monthly service fee na. Right? So if fixed monthly service fee le bayenze nge-date abantu basho bathi nge-date zaka November it's 110. But my 110 ine-VAT ngaphakathi. Right? And bathi VAT yethu 15%. So bakuphile leyo information. Manje bathi wena ubonisa ukuthi before by-add VAT bekuyimali, right? Okay, sham. Sesenza le calculation yama-VAT. Yabona leke yama-VAT inokudida because sometimes awazi ukuthi lo 115 uyaphezulu uyaphansi or 100 uyaphezulu uyaphansi, right? So into esiyaziyo ukuthi i-110 sifuna i-amount ye-110 mayingana VAT because makuyi-110 ine-VAT. So mawukhipha i-VAT 100% 100 uyaphezulu bese u-115 uyaphansi. Mawufaka i-VAT 115 uyaphezulu 100 uyaphansi, right? And that is equals to 95 rand, 62 blah blah blah, right? So calculated na amount service fee mayingana VAT. Are we together so far? So manje sizoyithatha siyenze ukuthi mayine VAT ye 14% kwenzakalani. Manje sifaka i-VAT, angithi ikhipha i-VAT ye 15% because bathe i-VAT 15%. So ifaka i-VAT ye 14%, sibona ukuthi mayine VAT ye 14% iba njani. So ngithe mawufaka i-VAT 100 uyaphansi angithi. So sizothini 95 rand, 62 blah 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 blah. Ubhale wonke ama-decimal, right? Because mawungawabhalanga wonke i-answer yakho angeke iphume right. And then sifake i-VAT ye 14% because 2017 i-VAT bekuyi-14%. I-VAT i-change 2018 ngoMarch. Bashilo kulesa statement. That's why it's important to read the statement. So sithi 114 ngithe mawufake i-VAT 100 uyaphansi, mawuyikhipha 100 uyaphezulu. And then the time i-VAT yakho say 14%, it was 109 rand and 4 cents. So that's how much he used to pay for a VAT. There are many ways to calculate this thing. Lena method lay 100 over 115. That's a commerce accounting method. I find it's easier. It's a bit easier, right? Okay. We'll leave it here. The reason why we are leaving it here is because lento yama addendum going back and forth with my addendum. That's the problem. So ngicela nawe go to a question that is finance based, khuluma ngama bank statement, see if you can get 100%, right? If you can't, then next time you'll know which you have a question and what type of question you have. Remember, if you want to be live at Lasini when I do these presentations, you can always contact me and then we'll talk and then we'll make it happen. And then the announcement that I have namhlanje, if you want private tutoring sessions, so as online though, whereby you will have a class online. There's a class that I have online. If you want private tutoring sessions, la khona uzofuna sidile ngetopic ethize kusogolisayo, you can, and then we go through the session. It costs only 50 rand by it. The session A1 costs only 50 rand. So you contact me, we make an appointment, and then the first session for the first 10 people, will be free. So the first 10 people won't change, but you say, I need help, Lana, can we have a session? They'll be free. I'll be announcing about the so that after lab you have to pay, right? But the first 10 will be free. Okay, go practice, go prepare. See you guys next time. Sharp.